Hello students, today we will be studying profit and loss. So, let's get started. Why are profit and loss important? Profit and loss are important whenever goods are bought and sold. Whenever a shopkeeper sells an item more than he has bought it for, he has made a profit. But if he sells it for less than the price at which he bought it, he makes a loss. Cost prices or CP. It is the amount at which the shopkeeper buys an article. Selling price or SP. It is the amount at which the shopkeeper sells the article to the customer. Whenever the selling price is more than the cost price, it is a profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. When the selling price is less than the cost price, it is a loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. If the selling price and cost price are equal, there is no profit or loss. Discount. Shopkeepers want to sell more toys and other things. So, they give a special price that is lower than the regular price. This special lower price is called a discount. Shopkeepers always calculate the discount from the marked price on the toy or thing. The marked price is the original price written on the toy or thing before the discount. Discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. Discount percentage is equal to discount by marked price multiplied by 100. Profit and loss percentage. The profit percentage or loss percentage is calculated with the help of the formulas, which show that the profit or loss in a transaction is always calculated on its cost price. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Percentage profit is equal to profit by cost price multiplied by 100. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Percentage loss is equal to loss by cost price multiplied by 100. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Edurif to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5th. Thank you.